boys and girls. So I'm glad that you could join us today. I hope that you have your materials ready. So you're going to need a piece of white paper, a piece of cardboard, a piece of wax paper, a piece of aluminum foil, and a piece of clear plastic, which could be a Ziploc bag or it could be plastic wrap or anything else that you can find that is clear and you can see all the way through. Okay. So for today's live experiment, you have a document in Google Classroom, and your job is to take a flashlight and shine it through each of the objects. So I'm going to do an example, but I'm not going to do all of the objects, not right now, because I want to see what you write on your paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold up a piece of paper or whatever you're choosing to use first, and you're going to shine the light through it to see what happens on the other side. And before you do it, I want you to make a prediction. See if what you think is going to happen first. So stop a minute and think, what is going to happen when I shine my light through this paper? And it's helpful if you have a dark background that you can use to see the light if the light shines through it. Okay? And it might help if you turn the lights off in your room too. We'll do it this first time, we'll do it with, and then we'll do it without. Okay? So I'm going to turn on my flashlight. It does have a light, all right? I'm holding my light here so you can see the light. And then I'm going to put my paper up and see what happens. Now, I don't see much light coming through, but I actually do see some light coming through on the other side. Let's see if when we turn the lights off, if we get a better view of what happens behind that paper. Okay, so now I've turned the lights off. You can see my light's a little bit brighter, but let's see what happens when I put the light in front of it. Can you see? Now, I know that you can't really see here, but when I look through onto the other side, I do see some light coming through. So even though it's paper, I am seeing that there's less light. The light is dim, but it is coming through onto the other side. So your job is to hold up a piece of material to the flashlight and see what is going to happen when you shine the light through it. Is there going to be no light? Is there going to be a dim light? Or is there going to be a bright light? So you're going to fill out your form when you're done, and I'll give you directions on how to do that next. So this is your lab experiment, and it has all the directions that you need. You need the flashlight, the cardboard, white paper, plastic paper, wax paper, foil, and you're going to shine the light through, and you're going to observe. Is the light bright? Is the light dim? Is there no light? And then you're going to record that down here. So for white paper, which is what we just did, was there bright light? No, there was not bright light. Was there dim light? Remember, I said you couldn't see it, but I could see that yes, there was dim light. And was there no light? Even though it looked like there was no light to you, there was light, no light. There was light to me. So for no light, I have to say no. Now you're going to do that for plastic wrap. You're going to do it for foil. You're going to do it for cardboard, and you're going to do it for wax paper. When you're done, you're going to submit your work. Make sure you click on Turn In. But you're not done quite yet, because on the second page, it says Explain what happened. You're going to click here in this square, and then you're going to go down to your microphone, which is down. It's located in the bottom of your screen, down by your clock. You should have had your parent turn on your accessibility features, and then you click that microphone and you talk, and you just tell me everything that you can tell me about your project. What happened when you shine the light through the paper? I can't wait to see what happened with your experiment. Okay, guys, I'm back. I hope that you are going to pause this video right now. You're going to go show the light through all of your objects, all of your pieces of material. You're going to fill out that form, and then you can come back and see what the results are. So I'm going to give you a demo right now of what the results are. If you have not already done it and filled out your form, you need to stop this video and you need to go and do that, because I don't want you to know. I want you to fill out, I want you to do the form on your own, okay? And don't go change it, because I want to see what you got, all right? This is about exploration, and it's about figuring it out and finding out, and it's about what you think, okay? So let's look at, we already looked at the paper, and we know that when we shine the light through, the light is dim. You can't really see it. The light is dim. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, you can kind of see it. The light is dim, but we can still see the light through the paper. I'm trying to find a good angle. There we go. All right, so you can see the light. Even though it's dim, you can see the light through the paper. All right, what about the cardboard? Can you see the light through the cardboard? Cardboard, no light. So in the square where it says bright light, you would say no. With dim light, you would say no. No light, you would say yes. There was no light. Okay? What about the foil? What do you think is going to happen with the foil? Well, I think that's the same answer as the cardboard. There is no light coming through there. So, yes to no light. There is no light. Is it dim light? Nope. Is it bright light? Nope. There is no light coming through there. All right. So, what about the plastic wrap? Whoa, that is bright light. So would that be no light? Nope, because there's definitely light coming through there. Would it be dim light? No, because this light's not dim at all. So would it be bright light? Yes, it would be bright light right through. Okay? The word for that is transparent. It is transparent. So you can see the light all the way through it, just like looking through a glass. It's transparent. And then the last one is the wax paper. What do you think? If you've already done your project, you know. It is dim light. There is a little light. You can see that dim light shining through. So for dim light, you would say yes. So for the wax paper, you would put dim light for the wax paper. And then you're going to go fill it. You got to complete. I hope you've completed out your explanations. So hope you enjoy this experiment. I can't wait to see what happens at your house with your experiment. And I'll see you later. Have a great weekend.